Hello everyone. As you can see this client we have done already a patch test and it's got success. As you can see, before it was a complete white pale color lip. Now it's got much better and he wants to do the remaining places also now. And all the places got completely covered and he's happy with the output. And we have done this treatment at least 2 months before, so it's been a 60 days now. We are going to do the patchwork on that particular place. We are going to do the complete lip now. As we always recommend, we recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Once the patch test got succeeded, you can go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of your body also. That's mainly because once you've done the patch test on that particular place, we can get to know whether your skin be able to accept the ink, this artificial ink or not. If your skin not able to accept it, then you cannot able to produce a much more better output. So as you can see the ink which we are using is a complete organic and vegan certified ink, and it provides a much more better output once it's got healed. And when we are doing this ink on the lip, even if the person swallows the ink, there is no issues at all. It does not cause any harm. It's completely safe to be go ahead. And that's the specialty about this ink. It's not same as a tattooing, it's completely different from tattooing, and it gives a much more better output in that way. As you can see, the process is happening in a better way, and I have fast forwarded it. There is a small patches remain for him, so those things we are covering it up now and matching it up with the exact color. As you can see, you can't even find out where's that white patch pale color was there. It's matched up exactly, and the result is so beautiful. And if you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us in the above mentioned number on the screen. And if you want to check out our Instagram, please go check out. We have a lot of before and after pictures of this vitiligo treatment, and I have attached the Facebook and website link also on the screen. That will really helpful for you to be proceed further in the future. So I am signing off now. Suresh Machu, don't die nude.